Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and basically it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera. Right here we've got the very first evidence, because this is the permission we will give the camera when we will open it for the very first time. So, and this is the first evidence. I'd like to deny it. What's more, we do not have the grid lines, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.